you do to get up your paper? Would you do anything to stay up? Or you okay with chilling and just getting...
I got a few things I gotta do with this car. I got to adjust the turn signal extension because it'll fall and randomly turn on my turn signal, which is fine. I just gotta move it back closer to the steering column. I might de-sticker this car today because most of my stickers are peeling. I'll show you what I'm talking about in a minute. But first things first, I'm going to clean up this garage. It's still a mess, so I like to be organized, like to get clean, that way it can work. And then after moving the turn signal extension, I'm going to put new padding on my harness bar, and then I'll bring the splitter up from the basement, and the initial splitter bolted onto the car, make sure everything looks right, and then we'll be taking it downstairs and starting to lay some carbon fiber.
With the quad in the hood, it is known for lifestyle. It's a lifestyle. This is a lifestyle. You can't get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now. Hit you with the quad in the hood, it is known for lifestyle. It's a quest for me, I'm grinding, reaching for my destiny. And truth be told, it really ain't stressing me, because this life right here is really meant for me. You're not threatening, none of you are affecting me. Being great, I intend to be for all of you that's questioning. And one more time, reimburse for all of the unpleasantry. In the amount of time equivalent to a century. Money you embezzle, pack it up and have it sent to me. I really don't feel like I wanna go commit a felony. I damaged my life enough through all of my infidelity. The reason I believe in God is cause he's never failing me. I'm a lyrical poet, explode at any moment. If you wanna control me, you gotta learn to consume me. Cause if you wanna condone me, everybody around here, everybody know me. It's a lifestyle, this is a lifestyle. You can't get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now.
Sorry about that, guys, my camera died, so I'm gonna go ahead and just continue filming on my phone. So if you look in here, you got my harnesses wrapped around the harness bar, stock seats. It's a pain. Either way, crawl in here, you can see my son's car seat. You can see all the padding I put on it, so if he doesn't hit his head, well, ironically, the one place that isn't padding is probably where he hit his head. So I'm gonna take this whole section off and redo it.
Low key plotting moves, shall I keep in mind? I'ma work for myself, ain't no need to sign me. Ain't no hiding around here, don't need to sneak to find me. I'm ready to play, ain't waiting for tomorrow, man, I'm ready today. Your next move, watch your step because I'm ready to spray. And if we ain't talking business, best get out of my way. I said I'm ready to play, ain't waiting for tomorrow, man, I'm ready today. Your next move, watch your step because I'm ready to spray. And if we ain't talking business, best get out of my way. It's a lifestyle, this is a lifestyle. You can't get gritty in my city, better pipe down. I keep my hands clean, but don't mean that I won't fight now. Hit you with the quad in the hood, it is known for lifestyle.
This man freshly is different.
Can't show me the silence, show me the truth. Told me to listen up, so I listened up. But I'm still sitting here fisting cup. Told me to listen up, so I listened up.
I'm picking up the pieces, I'm trying to fix my mind. Outside I'm looking strong, but man I'm weak inside. Standing by God, no longer claim that I can battle all my situations. So I push my pride aside, I hit the bottom many times. This feel like home to me. So if this is how it's supposed to be, I'ma grind from the bottom to the top without anybody noticing, and silently progress. When I make it, you won't be known to me.
But Darius, do you love him?
Huh? Yeah, I love them, but fuck them, they ducking. Forgave them, I don't trust them. Painted faces of clowns, seen them peeking through the gutter, watching how I live my life, and now they wonder why they puzzle. I've been searching for my peace while I'm all up in this mess. There's a purpose for my presence, I know I cheated dead. I'm leaning heavy on my face because I needed it. The man that made mistakes learn his lessons, he won't be seen again. Told me don't worry, don't be discouraged. Though life is moving fast, take a second, gotta hurry. The faster that you move will only make your vision blurry. Take that rope off your neck, boy, please don't end it early. It ain't worth it, think about the future, the better things in life. You got 3 sons, 2 daughters, you gotta teach them right. So tell me why, would you wanna end it now? Tell me who gon' raise those kids and who gon' make your mama proud. Let them know, let your story show, let your glory glow. Put your city on the map while you been working on the road. And the world lately, filled with nothing but cry babies. The whole divine purpose is to leave this place the greatest. I'm sitting steady thinking in the corner of my zone. Got 2 angels on my shoulders telling me which way to go. They operating on my brain, somehow I cannot gain control. I put a bullet in the chamber to my head ready to blow. I try, pull the trigger but that thing ain't changed. Tears running down my face knowing this ain't who I am. Looking in the mirror disappointed, face down at my gun. No excuse for my decisions or the beast I have become. Expressive my depressions till the loved ones been neglected. They laugh and joke about my pain. I felt my hurt would be protected, I need to do some correcting. They went from family to faces and names. They say I wear my heart on my sleeves, forgive me, I've been praying. Prayers have not been answered, but I know you are still there. And you have not left me abandoned. Although I'm hurting in shambles, the devil is still attacking. He feel my faith is diminished and starting to fall backwards. I got blood on my hands from all my sacrifices.
Alright guys, our next step is to go pull the box splitter up from the basement.
Promised me a life of forgiveness for the life I was living. Yes, I was working hard, yet I was sinning, not winning. Life had me going crazy. In my head I was spinning, I'm back on track, ain't no time for chilling. Back in my mind the clock is ticking. Got some goals that I gotta reach. Hold down the phone for my kids standing tall. I ain't taking no seats, ain't looking for no handouts, but they said that I'll be on the streets. That's a possibility, but why they so quick to speak? Judging from the bird in the ear and only half what they see. Spend a day by my side, I promise you wanna be me. I got the heart of a lion, confidence like a soldier. I'll handle all of your fears and smash them up like a boulder. Carry the world on my back, family standing high on my shoulders. This my life that I'm living, don't know why you try to control it. But since you predict my future, you leave me no choice but to show you I'm numero uno, ain't no second player controller. This came so unexpected, I don't know what to say. Feeling no types of ways, still trying to figure out what I gotta do. Can you help me, Lord? I'm on my knees, I'm praying. Head down, hands open, I'm talking to you. This came so unexpected, I don't know what to say. Feeling no types of ways, still trying to figure out what I gotta do. Can you help me, Lord? I'm on my knees, I'm praying. Head down, hands open, I'm talking to you. I was woken up by the sounds of my brother screaming, Papa, come on, get up, Papa, Papa, come on, get up. But he ain't budge or make a sound, not even a breath. We laid them both on the floor, I started pumping his chest. I felt the pressure trying to save my man. I heard the fire trucks pull up, I seen the cops rolling up the ambulance. Seen the pain in their eyes, knowing they couldn't handle it. Realizing he's back with his wife, no pain and suffering. He's risen high with my Lord and Savior. Thank you, Lord, for coming down and saving. No more cancer, sounding like a hater. Because of the sickness, they won't see me, the man they raise me. Forgive me for being selfish, Lord, I know they'll be looking from above. Can you send them my love? And tell my daddy, no te preocupes, tengo esto. Te amo, Papa, te extraño. This came so unexpected, I don't know what to say. Feeling no types of ways, still trying to figure out what I gotta do. Can you help me, Lord? I'm on my knees, I'm praying. Head down, hands open, I'm talking to you. This came so unexpected, I don't know what to say. Feeling no types of ways, still trying to figure out what I gotta do. Can you help me, Lord? I'm on my knees, I'm praying. Head down, hands open, I'm talking to you.